السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته في فيديو جديد على قناتكم روبوتكس اند مور. هذا الفيديو رائع جدا لأن الحديث فيه سيكون عن بروجكت رائع وخاص لأنه في استعمال مباشر لمجال الإمبيدد سيستمز في البيوميديكال فيلد. الحديث بالمناسبة والبورتفوليو الخاص بنا، ونتجدون آخر المستجدات الخاصة بالبروجكت التي نشتغل عليها في روبوتكس اند مور. هنا كل بروجكت كما تشاهدون، كل بروجكت التي نشتغل عليها، وهذا آخر بروجكت وهو الذي سنتحدث عنه في هذا الفيديو. كما شاهدتم في بداية الفيديو، فكرة المشروع بكل بساطة هو أننا طورنا portable device و medical portable device. ماذا تقوم هذه portable device بكل بساطة؟ هي تقوم بقياس biosignals أو biomedical signals، بحيث أن المريض لا يحتاج في كل مرة أنه يذهب إلى المستشفى والعيادة ليقوم بهذه الفحوصات وبهذه القياسات. بكل بساطة يشتري هذا الديفايس، يكون عنده في جيبه، أو يكون عنده في المنزل، ويقوم بقياس كل مرة قياس هذه الأمور الخاصة بالقلب، قياسات خاصة بالقلب، قياسات خاصة بمجموعة من الأمور سنتعرف عليها في scientific paper or the report that we have crafted, which is related to this work or this projects. هذه overview خاصة بهذا البروجكت. In this section of our projects, we will dive deep into the details of everything that you need. I'm gonna share with you the link for this project or this section of our projects in the description area. So you are gonna find a lot of things here. For instance, system architecture, the technologies used, implementation details. Also, this is the graphic user interface that we have developed during this project. This is the result that we got at the end of our project. So we are going to find everything that you need for this project, and also the contributors. It's the name of all the contributors, so we can copy and paste the name of them in the LinkedIn bar and LinkedIn search bar if you want to know more about them. So this of our projects, and also before, this is scientific paper, is this report that we have crafted during this the projects. This is the title of it: design and implementation for its own biosignal monitoring system using RTOS on I and context-based system 32. This is the title of our projects. وفكرة المشروع بكل بساطة كما قلت لكم أننا نقوم بقياس 4 biomedical signal. ما هي هذه الأربع biomedical signal؟ بكل بساطة the first one is ECG, which means or which refers or measures the electrical activity of the heart. EDA measures using skin conduction, which reflects emotional and sympathetic nervous system responses. The third one, it captures brain wave activity, and the last one records electrical signals from muscle contractions. هذه الأربع قياس ولا 4 biomedical signals اللي يستطيع من خلالها our device can measure. هذه بكل بساطة فكرة المشروع. هذه details of the projects in this paper. We have crafted or we have mentioned everything that you need in this paper. We are going to share this paper with you in the description area. And for here you're going to find also the overview. This is the 4 signals that we mentioned before. This is the key features. For the system for the key features, we have used the microcontroller. This is very important. The microcontroller we have used in this project is the M32. SM32. This is the microcontroller we have used in our projects. It's ARM Cortex M4 architecture. For the graphic user interface, we have used TouchGFX. TouchGFX is widely used for designing or development of the graphic user interface of applications, which is dedicated for SM32 platform. We have also used RTOS, very specifically FreeRTOS, which is used internally by TouchGFX and extended by our applications. And these are the development tools that we have used. SM32 IDE, it's the IDE which is mainly designed for the SM32 applications. Also, TouchGFX as I said earlier, for development of the graphical user interface. This is system architecture. Sorry for there are some inner issues. Okay, anyway. For technologies used, embedded, we have used C and C++ as a language programming language. For the IDE, we have used SM32 IDE, TouchGFX for graphic user interface, BITalino platform to get the measurements to the microcontroller. For the implementation details, here we're going to find all the steps or all the phases of our projects. We have started first stage for sensor integration. Sensor integration is the first stage of our projects. Secondly, we have made the signal processing. We've applied filters for scanning and cleaning out data coming from the BITalino sensor. For the graphic user interface, we have used built a real-time and the responsive interface with TouchGFX to display signals and enable interactions. This is the application of the GUI that we have developed. As you can see here in the startup page or in the startup path, here you are going to find the full measurement that you can capture via our portable device. This is the first one, which is designed for the heart electrical measurement. Second one is for EDA, it's for the muscle, and this is for the brain. So very simple. You click on which measurement, which biomedical you wanna measure. Then this interface or this page or this path is gonna be displayed, and it's gonna show you the change in terms of the biomedical that you have chosen before. For the results, we have got at the end a portable device that we can use it for this kind of applications. It shows that we're faced during our project journey. It's for future work that we are aiming to implement in the future. And the contributors, the other contributors, very simply, if you want to know more about our background, you need to copy the name of the contributor, paste the link, then you're gonna know more about our background. And if you wanna contact us or collaborate with us for embedded system or robotics or AI or any other projects, just you can contact us via this address mail. That's all for this project. If you have any question or clarification that you may just contact us via our LinkedIn profile or also our email. هذا كان كل ما عنده علاقة بالبروجكت. كان عندكم أي سؤال أو أي شيء ممكن تتواصلوا معنا، وهذا كل ما كان في الفيديو. أنا كم لاحظ، نلتقي في فيديو آخر.